on the workbench today we have my compact flash, SD card, USB etc. reader out of my PC, and this is the bracket I got recently. So this is for installing in the front of the PC. This will get used quite a bit with my Amiga because my Amiga has an SD card, a compact flash hard drive. So with this I can just plug this in the front and read and write to the hard drive using WinUAE. So and what we do here is put some screws through there to hold them in. I'm going to need a different screwdriver. Hang on a second. Okay, another screwdriver. This one's magnetic, so it should make it a bit easy to get in. I'm going to put it at the end. See, there's a screw hole through there. Put a little screw in. There we go. See, and that just plugs onto the motherboard. And this goes through the front, like so. Like that. I have to put some screws in there to hold it in. And the cable plugs onto the motherboard. It's got a blank in one of the pins so you can't put it in the wrong way round. See, there's a clip here. These fit in that hole, like so. So I've just got to find a couple of screws to go up here just to give it a bit more stability. Right, I found a couple of screws. So just screw these into here. Okay, that's all fitted, ready to go. Okay, thank you for watching.